All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fablades in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got this Apurvis Xerx production, of course, here with me for a quick maintenance, and let's do this. Let's see if or not if. So it should be pretty straightforward. We got one screw there, which is out. We got a second screw, which is out. And then just break the detent. You don't want to scratch the blade. And grab the T8, tackle the pivot, and just take the pivot out. Tolerances, I can already tell they're not like super tight. Pivot is actually spinning, so maybe, yeah. We're gonna need two drivers. Where is it? Here with the T8 we said, right? That's gonna be T8. Here we go. On one side. Is it a T9? No, it's just a T8, which is, wow, has that amount of play. Holy cow, guys. All right, so start from here, keep it pinched, and this way, here you go. You should be good to go. So just hold it there. This guy comes apart. This comes off like so. Very simple. Yeah, definitely tolerance is not super tight. I'll grab one of these alcohol swabs right over here and just clean it up and see. It's all right. You can clean the tracks. You can see that number. Production, the serial number, I mean. We clean these ceramic bearings, riding on steel spacers. That's good. That's the spacer. Let's clean up the tang of the blade, the inside of this stainless steel insert. Yeah, nothing wrong with this guy. It's well put together, pretty simple, straightforward. Where is it here? Nice. So let's put this back together from this side, like so. And then we got the bearings in, and then we got some of this nano oil there. We can do spacer in at this point. We can do blade in at this point with the other bearing and the other little bit of that. One little drop for the detent. Ball, show side scale back in. Grab the screwdriver with the T8. Tackle the handle like that. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of tightening in a second. So that is done. Very good. Break the detent, push this pivot in, hold it like so. No Loctite because, yeah, this thing is spinning and it's all right. I mean, not a biggie, but I'm just not gonna do this because, here you go. So that's too tight probably. But there's no play. Yeah, maybe a little bit too tight. Let's do just a tiny bit back, but it's smooth. I like it. But it's a little bit too much. So because this thing is spinning, you want to do just a little bit so the blade still is centered and the action is a little bit more soft in the closing department. Really? A cool one, guys. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned.